Hello guys, good afternoon again. This is part 2 of question and answer in Colrex. So, the term blank means any vessel fishing with nets, lines, trolls, or other fishing apparatus which restrict maneuverability but does not include a vessel fishing with trolling lines or other fishing apparatus which do not restrict maneuverability. The answer is vessel engaged in fishing. We'll proceed. The word blank includes any aircraft designed to maneuver on the water. This is very easy. The answer is seaplane. Seaplane. Okay, proceed. The term blank means a vessel which through some exceptional circumstances is unable to maneuver as required by these rules and is therefore unable to keep out of the way of another. The answer is vessel not under command. Okay, we proceed. The term blank means a vessel which from the nature of her work is restricted in her ability to maneuver as required by these rules and is therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. The answer is vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. We'll proceed. Mabilis lang, mabilis. The term blank, a power-driven vessel which because of her draft in relation to the available depth and width of navigable water is severely restricted in her ability to deviate from the course she is following. The answer is vessel constrained by her draft. Maingay sa labas. Maraming politiko. Okay, never mind. The answer is vessel constrained by her draft. Another one. The word blank means that a vessel is not blank or blank or blank. So 4, be careful. There are 4. The answer is the word blank first is underway means that a vessel is not blank. The answer is at anchor or blank. The next answer is made fast to the shore or blank or aground. Aground is the last answer. So be careful with this one. This tricky one. Okay. The next one. The word blank and blank of a vessel means her length, overall, and greatest breadth. It's very easy. Length and breadth. Okay, we proceed. Oh, very fast. Okay. Vessel shall be deemed to be blank only when one can be observed visually from the other. The answer is in sight of one another. The next one. The term restricted visibility, this is again bonus, means, the answer is restricted visibility, means any condition in which visibility is restricted by fog, mist, falling snow, heavy rainstorm, or any other similar cause. The answer is restricted visibility. Other one, the term blank means a multimodal craft which in its operational mode flies in close proximity to the surface by utilizing surface effect action. The answer is wing in ground or wing craft. Okay, thank you. That's it.